In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, open Settings and select Apps and Notifications right away. Then scroll down and click on App Notifications under Notification Manager. Now select Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Finally, by tapping on blue switcher next to one of your apps, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps on the left and click on this switcher next to all notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!